Hello there, good people of Ghana and the world at large. I am Emmanuel Gameli, a business consultant at Banvec Consult. As a business consultant, I see so many African young entrepreneurs doing so well in whatever they do. In light of that, we really have to support the young people doing so well in business. It is for this reason the initiative of Get Inspired is here. We seek to empower, inspire, educate, and support young entrepreneurs to make the part of the world we belong a better place. In light of this, we are on a journey to interview young entrepreneurs and also share important entrepreneurial nuggets alongside. And I believe you will inspire yourself in your business work. The project we are talking about here is the Get Inspired project. We are making a lot of arrangements to have a very wonderful session with you guys on YouTube, so I really need your support. If you haven't subscribed, I beg you, go and subscribe. It's Banvec Consult, Banvec Consult, BANVEC and Consult. Thank you all.